You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. I am back outside on location with another creative shoot. So we had a lot going on. Before I get into that, here helping me with this shoot is Miss Imani. Now, Miss Imani, where can they slide in the DMs?
At Imani Unique, Imani, IMANI, 2 I's, and then Unique.
Okay, I'm gonna put that in the bottom left-hand corner. We also have our helper, semi-kinda help. I don't know, you know, kinda helpful. Lay Babes, Leia Denise. I don't know what she go by these days. Okay, but what we have is a one light setup. I had a hard light with the Godox AD300. I finally pulled out the 70 to 200 with the Z7 II to get some of these shots, ND filter and all. I hope you all enjoy the photo shoot. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready to see the pictures, for sure.
Let's go.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Let's get right into the details of this shoot. This was supposed to be a bright, beautiful, sunny day with clear skies, but clouds started rolling in, and so initially I was including the environment with these shots. So I started off with my 35. As you start to see, the wind starts to pick up, and I only brought out my Godox AD300 with a 8-inch reflector because I wanted to match the light that was going to be coming from the sun that was supposed to be out. Now, this is the first shot that I got, which is very nice because the sun did peek out of the clouds here and there. Now, notice I also have a ND filter on my camera because I wanted to stay out of high-speed sync mode, but then I also wanted to be able to expose for that sky, and so that gave me about 1 to 5 stops to play with in terms of exposure. Once I realized that the sky was not going to come out, I actually opted to overexpose the sky versus have it exposed because it was nothing but gloomy and gray clouds that you would have seen. And so a nice cloud replacement or sky replacement would have been nice, but since I wanted the environment in these shots, I knew that all of the twigs and things like that, they make it very difficult for a nice clean sky replacement. And so these are the shots that I got. Now, when I originally thought of this concept, it was about a year ago. One of my pictures went viral on Pinterest, and then I stumbled across this. I originally said that I wanted the backdrop to be nice, smooth, even on all sides, but you see this wind right here. This wind was not playing. I even tried to use some clips on the side, but it just ended up tearing because the wind was so strong. So what I did was end up working with the wind, and then also whenever it did settle down a little bit, I would try to hurry up and steal some shots. Now, what I did notice as well was that I really enjoyed the angled shots, so I started shooting off to the side a lot more because I love the incorporation of the trees and the greenery, because the green is a complementary color to pink, so it all meshed well together.
I'm gonna actually shoot something.
You're supposed to catch it.
Can you put both of your hands back like that? Yeah, just like that. like get on your side, how you was on your side with the same way. So kind of like tuck your legs.
Oh.
Yep. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Yeah, this gonna work right here. 1, 2. Perfect. Oh, these are fire. All I needed to do is to go push back again. So we're gonna see. Yeah, let's see what we could get. Yep.
What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD, and if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.